What's up, guys? GotDave here, and I wanted to talk about, I've seen, like, for this Duke 690, and I'm sure you can get them for a bunch of other different bikes. I've seen they sell lowering kits, and it's like a linkage for the rear end, like where the rear shock goes. You like take that apart or something, and you put in like this different linkage, and it makes the rear end lower. And I don't know exactly like what that's supposed to do. Like, I mean, other than like for someone that's got like short legs and they want the bike a little bit shorter, but I think it only lowers it maybe like an inch or something, inch and a half maybe at the most. It doesn't really lower it that much. And I think the intention is that it makes it handle better. But I just recently lowered the front end on the Duke another line. So now I've actually got two lines showing on the front end on these tubes right here. And it makes it handle way better. And if you think about it, lowering the front end is like the opposite of lowering the rear end. So when you lower the rear end of the bike, it's going to rake it out more. It's going to make it handle more like a cruiser and less like a sport bike. So I don't know if that's really, that's not what I would want. Yeah, I would have to, I mean, if it lowered like the rear end an inch, I would have to lower the front end an inch. I would have to have these tubes sticking out, you know, like however far to make it the equivalent geometry of what it is now. You know, I couldn't just lower the rear end and ride it like that because it would handle horribly, I think. But let me know if you've done that to your bike and what you did to the front end to make up for lowering the rear end or to coincide with it. Let me know what's going on with that, if you've ever done that before, or if you think it's beneficial to have your bike a little bit lower, if it really does handle better. Leave me a comment. 10:20. Took a little over half an hour to get here. Oh wow, looking Duke. Let's freaking park right here. It's like super windy right here. Dang, getting blown all over the place. I can see all the dust in the air too. It's nasty right here. So as a follow-up to my the bar end pieces that I machined, the OEM ones for this bike that I put back on, modify them so I could use my bar end mirrors. It actually worked. Way less vibration in the bars now. Definitely more comfortable like this than it was just with those little adapter pieces that I had in there. I actually could have saved the money on those and not bought them if I would have thought of this idea. But oh well. Live and learn. It's better now, so that's it. Just wanted to let you guys know that it did make a big difference. And if you've got a way of doing something like that to your bike, I would definitely suggest that. What's going on up here? Is there like a fire or something? Or is that just all dust? That looks terrible. Have to wait and see what it is. I think there's just so many places that they're building houses now. And look at that. It's nasty, dude. Whoa! Dude, it wheelied going like up that. Let's take this road. It's kind of messed up like stunt road, so it's kind of a good test road. Can't tell how steep this is, but it is like really steep. You gotta stop off right here so you guys can check this out. Dude, look at how nasty that is out there. And then it like stops right there. It's like all nice over here. Look at that, dude. Unreal. See, that's exactly what's happening right there. I love this place. I really do. I love living here. But it's got its problems. Like anywhere else, it's got its problems. That's the only problem, is all those signs I see have small numbers on them, and right here always has a big number. So that's the only real problem.